So my lecture today was basically about the role of AI in the workplace. I tried to provide inputs for the students to reason on the impact of their projects in the longer term on society and especially on the labor market. We have discussed what are the implications of using AI to make jobs more automatic and what it means for those jobs to be stolen in a sense by AI and what those people are going to do next. In the second part of the lecture then we have organized what's called the Oxford style debate, where a member of each project stood up and presented the project idea to the other teams, and the other teams provided opposing or championing statements against or in favor of the project. That was essentially to steer, to trigger a discussion around the role of AI in their specific project with respect to society and the workplace specifically.
We are very happy to be here supporting innovation at UPB with our keynote about how to measure and how to assess digital maturity when planning an innovation strategy inside an organization. It has been a pleasure for us to be here and to check and verify the high level of the staff joining the event. Thank you very much for considering us.
I'm representing valgrAI, the Valencian School and Research Network of Artificial Intelligence. In my chat today, we are going to discuss about potential collaborations with our foundation, and we are going to see how can we help the enhanced network and the AI projects with our resources and our researchers and the lecturers which are working with us. We are a foundation, a non-profit organization, which was created by the Universität Valenciana, the regional government, and the 5 public universities from the Valencian region, and together with companies, and we are working in education, in postgraduate education, and research in artificial intelligence. We are experts in artificial intelligence, and we believe that we can help all these teams with our expertise in the area, our grants, and all the resources that we have to do future collaborations.
Today I'm going to talk about how to delight your customer, and in my idea I'm going to deliver to students a speech about how to better tailor their product or service in order to what the customer needs and wants. We are going to see the Kano model, that is a model to understand and collect the needs of the customer, and we are going to have a session together of workshop together.
Our side is to invest in companies and to both companies from the university to the market. It's very difficult if you are a student, you have many ideas, but it's so hard if you are to be an entrepreneur, you are to be a businessman. And the investors who used to do understand what is your proposal, what is your idea, and we inject money to try to help you to write to the market. And it is very difficult, you know, but you have to study and to get ideas from different advisory people, and ensure that you will get your marks on your challenge. From the university, you have more opportunities to write to the market if you are a usual entrepreneur, because you have a branch of technology to support your idea. Our side is to discover if you are the great entrepreneurs and support with money and support with knowledge and with some other people who came from the market. To assure you have all the capabilities to write to the market. We are going to support in that class, and maybe we can do it.